They couldn't see you. Look at that in. I can see. Move a little bit. I can see. And Daddy, see? And Daddy knows how to twerk. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday.
I want to say that happy Sunday. I have to.
Come here. Here, say happy Sunday. Yeah.
No, I have to guess. I have to guess.
Okay, what day is it today, Paris?
Sunday.
Good guess. Well done. So, it is Sunday morning and it is currently 9:30. Maaga kami today. Meron kaming lakad. Say hi. Say hi sa first. Labasa mo ito na. Oh. Water, ano? Say hi na lang sa tita babe. Hi, everyone. Hi, sa. Hi. Say hi. 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 Uy. Uy. Ay, no. Say hi, tita ba? Hi, tita. And tito. Hi, sa. Hi. How do you do hi, B? Maybe hi, B? Show B? Hi. Gangishi ka. Say hi, everyone. Hi. So, pupunta kami ng play center, guys, today. And very early, kasi yun yung napag-usapan namin. So, a couple of weeks ago, pumunta kami ng park ni Ate Paris at Baby Silly. And then, may nakilala kaming, guys, mga Pinoy doon sa park. So, meron din silang baby boy. Hindi ko alam kung ilang taon yung baby boy nila, guys. But, nag-change kami ng Facebook, Messenger. And nag-chat kaming ganun. And then, napag-isipan namin, napagplanuhan namin na pumunta ng mini bounce na play center siya sa shopping center. So, sabi niya, around 10 o'clock. Sabi niya, okay.
You can choose a toy.
Si Daddy Mike ay...
Hello, you can choose a toy.
Si Daddy Mike ay nagre-rest pa, guys, kasi alam niyo naman na kapag weekend lang yan siya. But then, sabi ko na, we're going kasi bumangon ang ating Daddy Mike.
Sweet garlic. Mommy!
Ayun pa, andun pa siya sa taas. Pagpapala na yun.
I want to buy something like this.
Ooh! Do you have money?
Yeah?
Hmm?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it will be first time na magkita-kita kami ulit after nung nag-meet kami sa park. And alam niyo naman, guys, tayong mga Pinoy, di ba? Parang, it's our joy kapag may namimit tayong ibang Pinoy. Especially, nandito tayo sa ibang bansa. Hindi talaga maraming, hindi talaga maraming, Pinoy na makikilala, di ba? So, very exciting na nakilala namin sila. And then, meron silang, anak ko. Meron din tayong anak natin, baby girl. Ajush! Are you gonna play? Actually, it's her nap time. But... Ate! Here, Ate B. Show me your outfit, B. Tingnan yung ating Ate Paris, guys. Hindi talaga maaano ang kanyang... Hindi mo siya pipigilang isuot ang kanyang mga jewelries. Pasyon na pasyon talaga ito siya. Be, show me your jewelry, be.
My bracelet, necklace, earrings.
What happened to your hair?
Earrings, necklace, and bracelet.
Wow, so cute.
I found the necklace.
Wow, where did you get it from?
The drawer.
Where?
The drawer.
The drawer?
Yeah.
No, where did you buy it from?
Oh, yeah. At the city.
Yeah, so we went to the city yesterday. Hindi kami nag-vlog.
And we went in the kitty cat.
Yeah, sa ferry. And then, ayan, napabili siya ng ganyan.
And it's cold.
Ayun yung pa. Gusto niyang suotin. Good morning, Daddy.
Morning.
This time is city cat.
City cat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Day today.
Today is Sunday.
Sunday.
Okay, Daddy, can you please bring that thing? Yung para sa pram, guys. Sa ilalim ng pram. I washed it kasi ang daming na, spill inside. And it doesn't smell very nice. Come on. Diyan namin pinark ang aming sasakyan kasi nung pag-uwi namin kagabi, wala nang space dito. So, dyan sa harapan nila. Beautiful day. Oh, it's too bright. Come to Paris.
Where we're going.
We're going on a lion hunt.
I'm excited.
Are you?
So am I.
That is very excited. Alam niyo, gusto niyang manood ng
A
UFC.
little bit good.
Celine! Hi! Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? It's your nap time, isn't it? Nakaupo na. Hi, Ate Paris.
Hi, Celine. I'm just doing this.
Can you read the book to Celine?
No, I don't actually know what's the answer.
What's the answer?
I don't know.
Oh, see you there, anak.
I don't know what. I don't know what the word.
Before we head to the
Play center.
Play Center, ay nandito muna kami sa cafe. Nag-stop kami to buy Daddy Mike's coffee. And, well, Paris is... What's yours na?
I'm excited.
Baby Gino?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, malapit lang naman to siya sa bahay, guys. It's, yeah, 9:40. And yung drive papunta doon is around 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. Yes,
Your
na.
daddy already went to the
Yeah, he's in there now, anak. Gusto sanang sumama ni Ate Paris, kaya lang main road to siya. Mahirap i-open yung door dito na side kasi sobrang daming sasakyan mo.
Oh, I want to tell Tommy something.
What do you want to tell Tommy, anak?
We're going to the play center.
Oh, that's alright. Daddy will tell him.
Oh, I want to say it.
Yeah, next time, okay? Oh, you told him yesterday, remember?
I know, but I want to say it. But I want to say it's late.
Oh, okay. Sorry, anak. There's lots of guys that way, anak.
Well,
Oh, by the way, there's
Mama,
a
you
very...
reach me to get my seatbelt off and you can't know from there.
Yeah, that's alright, anak. That's fine. Daddy will be back soon.
Well,
It's finishing now. So, there's one exciting news pala, guys. So, last week, nakatanggap tayo ng email tsaka text message na, you know what happened? Celine's passport is ready. So,
I give
yung...
it to us now.
Yeah, I think it will arrive this week na. So, they posted it already. Nag-message sila na it's been processed. Tapos, sinend na nila. So, yeah, it will be here sometime this week. And sobrang excited ko, guys. Oh my God. Kasi, that means na makakapag-book na tayo ng ticket for Celine, di ba? Kasi, at the moment, di ba, sabi ko, it's for Paris lang at saka yung sa akin kasi si Celine nga wala pang passport. So, I think it took just less than 2 months. I'm not entirely sure. Kung nanood kayo ng video namin, nandun kung kailan kami nag-take ng photo ni Celine for passport, nag-apply ng passport and all. So, yeah, just over 1 month. Ganun lang ata. And then, there's one thing, kay Daddy Mike din kasi yung passport niya ay nag-expire. So, maybe a couple weeks ago, nag-process din siya ng renewal ng passport niya. And then, it's funny, right? Because, nauna kay Baby Celine pag-process, pero siguro mas madali yung renewal. Kasi, kay Daddy Mike, sabi din ni Daddy Mike sa akin last night na nakatanggap na din daw siya ng message na ready na yung passport niya at isi-send na nila. So, I'm super happy kasi parang isa sa mga bagay na palagi kong iniisip na nakapag-stress sa akin is yung passports nila. Kasi nabook na yung ticket namin ni Ate Paris tapos sila wala pa kasi nga yung passport hinihintay pa. So that's one thing off my shoulder.
Daddy!
So that's really, really good.
Daddy!
Tingnan nyo tong...
Daddy!
Hala, very dark.
Daddy!
Is Celine sleeping now, na?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. At least she can sleep for at least 20 minutes. Daddy's here.
Now look at my shoe. I made it like this. See? Now look at my shoe. Now look at my shoe.
What happened?
I made it out of shoe. Cause see? I put my bracelet on it. See?
Thank you, Daddy. Ah, Daddy got us
Mommy.
ice chocolate.
Mommy,
Yes,
look.
na.
Look. Look at my shoe. Look at
What
my
did
shoe.
Tommy say, Daddy?
You're having a good laugh at Daddy's expense.
What?
So what are you doing today?
Ah.
Like, well, I'll tell you what I am doing and what I should be doing.
Oh, daddy. He's a good daddy. Nak, is daddy a good daddy? Do you think daddy is the best daddy? Why? Why do you think so?
Because he always makes food for me.
What is it?
Because he always makes food for me.
Always makes food for you? Oh, lucky girl. Daddy loves you very much, yeah?
Yeah.
And Celine?
Yes.
Do you feel that? Do you feel that daddy loves you very much? Yeah?
A few moments later.
Doon na kami sa loob, guys. So, we'll take the lift. That's the one, Naxi. Mini bounce. Mr. Lift here. Gising pa lang ating baby girl. Hi, Nak! Nakatulog sa sasakyan. Ah! Yes, Nak? Ah, isa. Nagtoilet muna si Daddy Mike. There, Nak. Oh, that's the one. Can you see it?
You mean the one with the cloud?
Yes.
Oh, yes, that's the one I saw.
Yes. So, oh, careful lang. Excuse me na. So, sabi ni Rose ay kakarating lang din nila. Ning, are you going to... Oh, Dede? Oh, Dede, Dede?
I want to go in there now.
Yeah, we're just waiting for Daddy, ano?
How do we get up there?
Huh?
How do we get up there?
We'll use that one.
The
Walkalator.
And we go there.
Walkalator.
And then.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, that's the place center. No, what? Do you mean that one with the B-O-U-R-C?
E, that's the one, yeah. B-O-U-N-C-E. It's bounce.
Is that the one?
Yes.
Is there all the
Let's just have a look at Lily holding at the person.
Is there all the trampolines?
Yeah, we'll have a look.
But I want some other concerts.
Ate.
Okay? Wait, look at that's where is the place center.
Yes, that's the play center. Ayun na sila, guys. Wow! Slide, slide! Slide, slide, Ling Ling! Hey, oh! Oh! Careful! Careful! Up! Yeah! Kakatapos lang namin sa play center. Did you have fun, Paris? Yes? Ayan, nakabalik na kagad yung kanyang mga abubots, yung mga borloloys. Why is that? Oh, don't be sad. So, nakaalis na rin yung friends natin, guys. Meron din silang lakad after dito. So, kami, what is that? That's Maxim. Really? Sa 1 o'clock ay meron akong appointment. Really, Maxim?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. No, Daddy, let's go. So, mamaya, 1 o'clock. So, it's still 11:40 ngayon, guys. 1 o'clock, meron akong appointment sa aking, contact lens sa optometrist. So, last time yung appointment ko para sa aking glasses. Pero this time is for contact lens kasi sobrang tagal ko na rin hindi nakapag-contact lens, guys. And alam niyo kapag come here. Kapag merong mga okasyon, diba, it's sometimes good to wear contact lens instead of the glasses. Alam, madilim na. Daddy Mike, stare na. Careful, be. Maglakad-lakad muna kami while waiting for my appointment. Have a look around. Lynn, Did you have fun, na?
Elaine, have fun?
Yes. Good. Okay. Which one is that you want?
Pick one.
You can mix, can you?
Get her a little bit.
You can mix it. Can you?
Okay.
I'll have two.
Okay, which one?
I will
Gusto niya
have
yung yogurt.
strawberry and mango.
Okay. Perfect.
Strawberry mango.
Ready?
I'll do it.
No, you're not.
Be careful, ha?
Wow.
Okay.
Is that strawberry or something?
Yes. Just a little bit. Oh, enough.
That's a lot. Look. Now let's do the mango.
Mango this time.
And
No, there's nothing? Maybe it's... Oh, it's there. Bit more. Okay. Oh, enough, enough. That's it. That's it.
and I need a spoon.
Yeah, I'll go ask. Dito na kami ng Specsavers, guys. Hintay lang kami ng turn namin. Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami niya today. Oh. Well, I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. But we don't need glasses, guys. So we're just here for contact lens. Pinito. Tapos, ang $3 ni Ate Paris ay bilis-bilis lang. Kakatapos lang namin from my optometrist.
The guy in the shop wants to.
Bilisan lang yun doon, guys, kasi last time kasi February pumunta ako doon for the same test. Pero hindi lang ako bumalik para sa trials ng contact lens. So, hindi nila kinikip yun. Tinapon nila kasi it's been few months na. So, hindi nila chinek yung mata ko ulit. Sabi nila, we'll just order the contact lens na sabi namin sa'yo before. And then, we'll just message you pag ready na. So, kaya mabilis lang, guys. Pagpasok namin doon, tapos ka, guys. Kasi hindi na kailangan i-check. So, hintayin ko na lang yung message nila para mag-try on ng contact lens. So, we're outside Rebel Sports now. Pumunta na si Daddy Mike dito kanina. Bumili na siya ng kanyang... Nagustuhan ko yung kanyang, shirt. So, we'll see. Baka may magustuhan din tayo dito. Ate! Come on! You okay?
Yeah, I'm just putting my shoe.
Type ko itong ganito, guys. Crop top. La 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 la. Ling 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 ling. Nakakagising ng ling ling. Ito yung binili ni Daddy Marcus. You hold it, Daddy. Oh, see, ito. It's alright. So, it's there hanging. It's so super nice. Parang hindi kinukuha ng camera yung tunay na kulay niya. Brown to siya, brown. See, extra small. So cute. Tingnan yung likuran, oh. Super nice. Twinnings. Oh, twinnings, Daddy. Let's see it. No! $70.
Jump, 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 jump.
I'll just get something for Paris, baboy. Maganda sana, guys. Ito, especially itong size na ito. Ay, $70 na yun.
My face laughing. Look. Wait.
So I tried it on. This is what it looks like. Pinatong ko lang siya, guys, sa aking shirt. No? I really like the back details. Ganyan, sa ko lang. Nice, diba? Pero I don't think kailangan ko to, guys. Uy, maganda siya. Ano, sinuot na naman ni Madam Auring ang kanyang accessories. Dada.
A few moments later.
We're home now. Kanina pa pala. Actually, ilang oras na. Yan, nakabihis na siya, oh. Naging prinsesa na naman siya ulit, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Meron naman siyang pa-flower. What are you eating na for snacks? Te, what's for snacks?
Cheese. Cheese already.
Yeah?
Orange and nuts.
Yeah. What kind of nuts this is not?
Almonds.
Yeah, good job. I love you. Love you! And this one here. What are you eating? She's having cheese as well. Tingnan nyo, naglaro siya ng pen kanina, oh. Para na siyang miming. Love you, cheese. Parang correct na rin to siya, guys. Nanonood na siya ng movie kasama ng ate niya. Like, hindi talaga siya nagbo-move. Focus na focus siya sa ano. Screen. Ayan, oh. Nakalimutan ko anong title nito. Pero sa Netflix siya. Like it na? Do you like your movie?
As Paris always laugh fake. Oh, have you ever heard Paris like genuinely laugh?
Yeah.
Like genuinely.
Yeah.
But most of the time it's forced.
Where's
Oh. What is that, Ducky? La- Paris, you're still wearing your borloloy na. Walang katapos ng pagtutupi ng damit, guys. Ang tignan niyo. We're messy here. Uy! Make her laugh na anak ka.
Wait. Ducky.
Daddy cooked for you, honey.
No, I was eating the egg. I was eating the egg, Daddy. Then I was eating one egg and
See,
then
Daddy.
eating the
Say hi sa
other.
Daddy, ay. Daddy! They couldn't see you. Kabulok ka, Daddy, na. I can see. Ako wala mamaya. I can see. And Daddy, see? And Daddy knows how to twerk. Daddy, see. Uy, open mo mga bigger. Tulog na ang ating baby Celine, guys. Ito siya, nakatulog na rin to siya.
Firstly, he was crying.
Pero nagising.
And guess what? I'm
Napakain ng
playing with
dinner niya.
blue tack clay.
Ay, ano ba tong camera natin? Parang na ano manak. Why?
I like bubble gum.
Parang na... There you go. I think it's better. Is it better? Egg white. Yeah. Big mouth.
I like
You like egg white?
not the little one.
Kasi mami nyo, gabing-gabi nagkakape. Why not? Pero hindi ako naano guys na kapag nagkakape ay hindi nakakatulog. Hindi. Siguro din kasi pag pagod talaga yung katawan mo. Splack ka pa rin sa bed. Si Daddy Mike ay nanonood ng... Anong tawag dyan? Dali. Oh, na. It's 90 Day Fiancé. Yung pinapanood niya. Alam niyo ba, yung pinapanood niya ngayon,
Ano ba? Lily. Whatya? Sangka? Aka? Pela? And the pigs? The pigs? The pigs?
yung nasa show ngayon sa 90 Day Fiancé, alam niyo yung sabi na yung your road, yun siya. Yan yung pinapanood.
Daddy's funny to me.
He loves it. He loves that show. Ewan ko kung bakit.
Yeah, he always watched that.
No, I know, right? Do you like the show?
Yeah, well, sometimes I do want to watch something else on YouTube sometimes.
Yeah.
Because my daddy always there to finish first, and it's a long time, and it's finished. It's a really long time waiting in the finish. It's a really long time. Mommy, but which pony do you like? You can only pick 4 ponies.
I don't know the names, Nak. You know everyone, but I don't know.
There's Spike, Twilight, Verity, Rainbow Dash, and Pinkie Pie.
No
And
way.
Spike.
You know everyone.
Yeah,
Very smart, aren't you?
you just have to practice.
Oh, okay. I will practice then. Anyways, i-end na natin yung vlog.
Which one do you
It's
like?
getting late now. Hang on, we'll do shout outs, anak.
Like that too.
Shout out to Shout out to Jocelyn Leda, Yoli Novero, Leia Refuerzo, Mary Hoth, Claudine's Kitchen, Loleta La Cuesta, Marilyn Guerrero, Cecilia White. Yan ba yung pagbasa? Sorry kung hindi. Jean Bagsik, Annie Vergara, Amor Barican, Carrie Faltiquera, George Claxton, Alma M, Jasmine La Chica, Doris Atiliano, Margie Tambayap, Janzi Pinay Australia, Mitch Cantomayor, 3970071, Delaney Prince, and Telma Punsalan. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
If we can. Bye-bye.
If you can.
Bye-bye.
And if you can.
Bye-bye.
You forgot, Nana.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to be good. And if you can't.
Careful, bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Bye-bye.